Ever wondered if your small business, or even your big one, can hop on the Venmo train? You know, that app your friends use to split dinner bills and movie tickets? The one that makes sending money as easy as sending a text? Well, you're not alone. Many entrepreneurs, from the budding online boutique owner to the seasoned brick-and-mortar veteran, are asking the same question: can businesses accept Venmo? It's a fantastic question, especially in today's fast-paced digital economy. Cash is becoming a relic, credit cards are ubiquitous, but there's a growing desire for even simpler, more mobile-friendly payment options. And Venmo, with its massive user base and user-friendly interface, seems like a natural fit. But as with all things in the business world, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's a nuanced exploration of features, fees, and the ever-evolving landscape of digital payments. For years, Venmo was primarily known as a peer-to-peer, P2P, payment service. It was designed for individuals to send and receive money from their friends and family. Think of it as a digital IOU system that instantly settles up. This personal nature was key to its appeal. There were no fees for standard transactions funded by a linked bank account or debit card, making it incredibly convenient for casual exchanges. This P2P focus, however, also meant that businesses were explicitly prohibited from using personal Venmo accounts for commercial transactions. Why? Because the platform wasn't built for the complexities of business payments, like transaction disputes, tax reporting, or the robust security measures typically required for commercial operations. Using a personal account for business put both the business and Venmo at risk, and it violated their terms of service. Many a small business owner, eager to accommodate customers, found themselves in a tricky spot, navigating the gray areas of what constituted a personal payment. But as the digital payment world evolved, so did Venmo. Recognizing the immense potential of its user base and the clear demand from businesses, Venmo, owned by PayPal, began to pivot. They started introducing features specifically designed for businesses, acknowledging that the lines between personal and commercial transactions were blurring. This shift was a game changer, opening up new avenues for businesses to tap into Venmo's vast network of users. So, let's dive into the specifics. The short answer to can businesses accept Venmo is now a resounding yes, but with a crucial caveat: they must do so through a Venmo business profile. This isn't just a minor distinction, it's the fundamental difference between operating legitimately and potentially having your account suspended. The Venmo Business Profile, your gateway to commercial payments. The Venmo Business Profile is designed to seamlessly integrate Venmo into your commercial operations. Think of it as a separate, dedicated space within the Venmo app that allows you to accept payments for goods and services in a compliant and efficient manner. Setting one up is relatively straightforward, especially if you already have a personal Venmo account. You typically link it to your existing profile, but it operates independently in terms of transaction tracking and reporting. Once you have a business profile, you unlock a suite of features tailored for commercial use. This includes the ability to display your business name, logo, and a description of your services. This not only legitimizes your operation but also provides a professional appearance to your customers. Customers can then search for your business directly within the Venmo app, making it easier for them to find and pay you. How businesses can accept Venmo payments. There are several ways businesses can leverage their Venmo business profile to accept payments, each catering to different business models and customer interactions. 1. QR codes. This is arguably one of the most popular and convenient methods for in-person transactions. Venmo provides unique QR codes for your business. Customers simply open their Venmo app, scan your QR code, enter the payment amount, and send. It's fast, contactless, and eliminates the need for card readers or cash handling. This is perfect for pop-up shops, food trucks, craft fairs, or even services where clients are physically present. Imagine a hairstylist, a personal trainer, or a street vendor. A quick scan and the payment is done. 2. In-app payments. For online businesses, Venmo offers integration options that allow customers to pay directly within your app or website. This is particularly beneficial for e-commerce platforms or services that operate primarily online. By offering Venmo as a payment option at checkout, you're tapping into the preferences of a significant portion of the online shopping population. This streamlines the purchase process and reduces friction, which can lead to higher conversion rates. 3. Payment links. Venmo business profiles also allow you to generate unique payment links. You can share these links via email, text message, social media, or embed them on your website. When a customer clicks the link, they are directed to the Venmo app or website to complete the payment. This is incredibly versatile for businesses that operate remotely, send invoices, or need a quick way to request payment without a full e-commerce setup. Think of freelancers, consultants, or even service providers who might send a link after completing a job. 4. Through third-party integrations. As Venmo's business capabilities have grown, so have its integrations with various point-of-sale, POS, systems, and e-commerce platforms. Many popular payment processors and business software now offer Venmo as an integrated payment option. This means you can often accept Venmo payments directly through your existing POS terminal or online store platform, consolidating your payment processing and simplifying your accounting. The cost of doing business with Venmo, fees, and transparency. One of the primary reasons Venmo was so popular for P2P transactions was the absence of fees. However, when it comes to business transactions, there are, as expected, associated costs. This is where many businesses need to pay close attention. Generally, Venmo charges a small percentage fee per business transaction. This fee is typically a flat rate, e.g., 1.9% plus 10 cents of the transaction amount. While these fees are relatively low compared to some traditional credit card processing fees, it's crucial to factor them into your pricing strategy. Remember, these fees are generally deducted from the payment you receive, so you'll want to ensure your profit margins can absorb them. It's also important to note that fees can vary slightly depending on the type of transaction or any specific promotions Venmo might be running. Always refer to Venmo's official website or your business profile's terms of service for the most up-to-date and accurate fee structure. Transparency here is key to avoiding any surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.